In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil pressure sensor on this Chevy Silverado. This happens to be on a 4.8 liter V8 engine, but it should be very similar to the other V8 engines. Let's get into it. To access the sensor, you can just reach around the back side of the intake. You do not need to remove it. Although, if you do remove it, it is easier, but you have to replace the gasket. Disconnect the connector. It's just a tab. Just pull up on the tab and slide it off. Just get that out of the way. I'm going to use this special oil pressure sensor socket. This is a 1 1/16. You need to make sure you have a socket that fits over the sensor because it's pretty deep. So you could try a regular socket, but if it doesn't fit, then it's not going to work. Slide the socket over the sensor. We'll loosen this up. Almost out. Pull the socket off. Grab the sensor and twist it out. And there it is. Now we're going to install the new oil pressure sensor. Make sure there is the Teflon sealer. Get that lined up. Kind of have to feel around for it. Okay. Goes right there. There we go. That's started. Put the socket on. There we go. It's starting to get tight. Snug it up a little bit. And if you can get a torque wrench on there, you want to torque that to 15 foot-pounds. That's good. I'll pull the socket off. Grab the connector, line it up, and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.